Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to create a custom shape size in Photoshop. Let's get started. Create a new layer and use pen tool or shape tool or use custom shape tool. Example, use pen tool, shape, fill, use fill color or not use fill as you wish. Then click anywhere, hold Alt, sorry, round, hold Alt. Okay, and again create a new layer. Use shape, rectangle, rounded, ellipse tool, hold shape, sorry, ellipse, hold shift or custom. Okay, and again right click custom shape. See this many custom shape. Hold shift, fix size, and do not hold shift custom size. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.